In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly attach a file from Google Drive to your Outlook email. Whether you're using the Outlook web app or the desktop version, this feature can streamline your workflow and make sharing documents a breeze. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Outlook, and you can do this either on the web or through the desktop application, whatever you're most comfortable with. If you're like many of us, you probably have Outlook pinned to your desktop or bookmarked in your web browser for quick access. Once you're in, head straight over to start a new email. This is as simple as clicking on the New Message button, often located in the top left corner of the screen. Doing this will open a fresh email draft where you can fill in your recipient, subject, and a message body, setting you up to attach your file. Now, turning our attention to attachments, which is the crux of your task today. Locate the attach icon, which looks just like a paper clip. It's universally recognized and usually found right above the email body section. Clicking this icon is your gateway to different file attachment options, and the great thing about Outlook is the variety of choices you're presented with. For those using the web version of Outlook, you'll want to choose the option that says Insert from Google Drive. This feature directly links your email draft to your Google Drive account now, making it possible to attach files stored in your drive without downloading them to your computer first. If you're on the desktop or app version of Outlook, look for the option labeled Browse Cloud Locations. This function is quite similar as it connects you to cloud storage options, including Google Drive. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Google Drive account. This step might prompt you to enter your Google credentials, so be sure to have those handy. Signing in ensures that Outlook has the necessary permissions to access the files you want to attach. Upon logging into Google Drive, you'll see your list of files. Navigate through your folders or use the search function to quickly find the file you need. Once you've located the specific document or media you want to include, select it by clicking on it. Finally, your selected file will automatically attach itself as a drive link within your Outlook email. This method not only keeps your email lighter by not increasing the attachment size, but also provides the recipient with easy access through a single click. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've connected two powerful tools, making file sharing easier and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.